Hello to all my viewers and subscribers. We're back here again to finally present to you the last two models that we got from Centauria. Centauria IXO. Uh, is this one? Okay. The Ferrari Roma from 2020. And this one, the SF90 Estradale from 2019. Of course, when we got it from Centauria together the other four new models from Ferrari, they also come with this little magazine. It's something that describes the model, like this one, SF90 Stradale. Of course, they are in Italian text script. So, although we cannot understand it, we cannot speak French, Italian, we cannot understand it. But we just have a little browse on it. How is it? There's the specification, the actual car there, the photograph of the actual car during test run. Okay, and the unveiling there, the rear view of the car, and there's also this Sadal double X homologata means homologation special. Double X means sometimes experimental, just like the 599 double X. Okay, so also the Ferrari Roma have it. Okay, I think it's much famous on this color because actually it's a Grand Tourer, more like a Grand Tourer, not a supercar. There it is. The likes of if you remember these models, the 456 GT or the what else? Those front engine Ferraris, little Ferraris. Yeah, there's the engine. Okay, so now we go to the model. Okay, so you just unscrew it. First, this Roma 2020 from 2020 Ferrari Roma. Okay, Mr. Boss will do the unscrew it. Okay. Here you go. Okay, we'll do a close-up. Okay, let's look at the model. The paint is glossy and outstanding. You can see the tail lights, those exhaust there. Actually, the exhaust we can make some improvement on this. We can repaint it, retouch it with the silver paint. Rolling wheels, rubber wheels. These are rubber wheels. It's riveted, but we can make this the one with the screw, Allen screw. But I don't think there's anything more we can do inside because it's already fully detailed. You can see the white Naugahyde interior, so you can see the seats there, and the dash is in white, the same color. And of course, the Ferrari logo is there. Yeah, Ferrari logo. Ferrari logo. The front. Okay. The grill. and separate piece headlight. We can make some improvement on the those side view mirrors. Can put bare metal there and some Ferrari script. Ferrari, it says Ferrari. The logo here. I hope we can find online those photo etch metal logo. We can swap here. We can put here. Yes, this is the 2020 Ferrari Roma. Rolls smooth. Okay. So we put it there for the meantime. And of course, not last but not the last but not the least is SF90 Stradale. Stradale means streetcar. Okay, here you go. A close up. Of course, the prominent Ferrari logo there. Ferrari always looks good. There are some Ferrari that looks good in red, like the Ferrari 40. What else? The 550 Maranello. But they also look good in other colors. Rosso Corsa. Corso or Corsa? Correct me if I'm wrong. But any which way, it's red, right? Look at those rotors. For smooth rolling wheels. And the detailed undercarriage, you can see it. You can see these Venturis. You can see these patterns that that runs underneath, where they channel the wind, the air, so it could become it will generate what you call this a downforce, like this rear diffuser. They call this the rear diffuser, right? These are all racing technology. They incorporate in road cars. This is way back when Ferrari started. He builds cars. The transfer of technology from racing to road is what Ferrari is all about. So of course this my camera cannot keep up. Okay, but okay, detailed rear. You can see the separate pieces that came together. You can see the quality. I believe Tomica also produced this, the regular Tomica. So I believe they're the one who came out with these models. They're the first who came out with these models. Of course, we waited for a while for other models to come out with the best. Something that we just spend one time. We just get one time and that's it. No need for more. Then also came this some new players in the diecast industry, mostly are Chinese brand. They're also good, but this one is from Italy, Centauria, from Europe. Okay, see how it rolls smooth, right? So we're gonna put we're gonna put the Teflon grease. Usually, all of my models I put the Teflon grease so that the axles, some axles are prone to corrosion or rusting, just like in the Kyosho models. So that will preserve your axles and it will roll smoothly. Okay. Okay, I put them side by side together with the other four that we presented before way back. I hope you have. Okay, I will zoom out so you can see all of them. The SP Monza and the F8 Tributo. And this one, I forgot the name already, the 298 GTB, of course. And of course, the Daytona SP3. I think he's the star, right? Usually when I see this, because I follow in Facebook this Goodwood Festival of Speed, where I can see all manners of racing machinery, exotics, and even classics are there. So there you go. Okay. Now all of them are here, complete. Centauria. I hope Centauria comes up with the new models from Ferrari. Okay. Thank you again, guys, for keeping up and watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna bring up more diecast products from other brands. Of course, we will also cover those old brands that we have here, especially the new collectors. Maybe they are not aware of. So this channel is will almost cater to anyone's tastes. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys again. Bye. See you again soon.